Hi students. Did anyone here know the step-by-step process in disassembling and assembling the system unit?
Me, sir.
Yes, Crystal. What are the step-by-step process in assembling a system unit?
The step-by-step process in assembling a system unit are: first, prepare workplace. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workplace. Use an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static electricity damage. Second, gather components. Collect the motherboard, CPU, RAM, GPU, storage devices, power supply, and other necessary components. Third, install CPU and RAM. Install the CPU into the motherboard's CPU socket. Install RAM modules into the designated slots. Fourth, mount motherboard. Align the motherboard with the case standoff. Secure it using screws. Fifth, install GPU. Insert the graphics card into the appropriate PCIe slot. Sixth, connect storage devices. Connect hard drives and SSDs to the motherboard using SATA cables. Seventh, connect power supply. Connect the power supply to the motherboard and other components. Connect power cable to the GPU and other storage devices. 8. Cable management. Organize cables to improve airflow and aesthetics. 9. Connect peripherals. Connect peripherals such as keyboard, mouse, and monitor. 10. Power on. Power on the system and check for proper functioning.
Very good, Crystal. In disassembling a system unit, is anyone here know the step-by-step process in disassembling a system unit?
Me, sir.
Okay, Laxmi. What is the step-by-step process in disassembling a system unit?
The step-by-step process in disassembling a system unit are: first, power off. Shut down the computer and disconnect all cables. Second, anti-static precaution. Wear an anti-static wrist strap. Third, remove peripherals. Disconnect keyboard, mouse, and other peripherals. Fourth, disconnect power. Turn off the power supply and disconnect all cables. Fifth, remove GPU. If applicable, unscrew the graphics card and gently remove it from the PCIe slot. Sixth, unplug storage devices. Disconnect SATA cables from hard drives and SSDs. Seventh, unscrew and remove motherboard. Unscrew the motherboard from the case and carefully lift it out. 8. Extract RAM and CPU. Remove RAM modules and unlock the CPU from its socket. 9. Disconnect power supply. Unplug the power supply from the motherboard and other components. 10. Cable management. Untangle and carefully remove cables.
Thank you, Laxmi. Thank you, Crystal and Laxmi. That's all for today. Class dismissed.
Created using Powtoon.